is Sema, and I believe, no, I know that every child out there is special and super. Look at this Supa Kid. Go Supa Kids, go!
Hi guys, it's morning. I'm just from sleeping and I'm gonna make some breakfast for myself. So I'm gonna be making a sandwich. So I have bread, I have an onion, I have a tomato, I have some eggs, I have a knife, and I have tomato sauce and a plate.
Hi, my name is Tiana. I'm 8 years old and I love cooking. I do it with a lot of passion and I'm a creative little chef. When I was little, I used to watch my grandma cooking and I used to love just helping her, and I think that's where I got my interest from. My role models are my grandma because she loves baking and making stuff. And I also like Rosanna Pansino because she makes cool things. I have my cooking hat. It is what I use in the kitchen. And then I have this serving spoon and my cooking stick. Then I have a Christmas card. I brought my Christmas card because I love doing art, and art is really fun and I'm creative. And I also have a book. I brought the book because I like reading new stories and reading is fun. And my last thing is my tablet because I like watching Superbook and it inspires me. What I will tell other kids out there who are shy and are not very confident, I'd tell them that just close your eyes and pretend that you're just on your own and doing whatever you're doing.
I'm super, you're super, we're super, shout it out loud, Sema Kids!
Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel. Just click subscribe.